Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you've got a universal stylus pen for your Android device and you're not sure how to connect or use it, you're definitely not alone. Unlike branded stylus pens that pair automatically, universal styluses can work in different ways. Some connect via Bluetooth, while others don't need pairing at all and start working instantly. This can make things confusing if you're expecting a connection pop-up that never appears. The good thing is that once you understand which type of stylus you have, the setup becomes very simple. Within a few moments, you can start writing, drawing, or navigating your screen smoothly. Try these. Step 1. Check if your stylus is Bluetooth enabled or passive. Step 2. If Bluetooth, press and hold the power or pairing button on the stylus. Step 3. On your Android device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Step 4. Turn on Bluetooth and look for your stylus name in the list. Step 5. Tap to connect and confirm pairing. Step 6. Test the stylus on your screen to ensure it's working properly.